as living proof of what he sacrificed, unwavering faith, and achievement. They rose each day with courage, embraced discipline, and grew with purpose. Through it all, they learned humility, obedience to noble orders, and value of integrity, not just during training, but as a way of life.
Synchronized movements and polished uniforms now represent more than just training. They reflect a deeper transformation of character. These young men and women have embraced respect, compassion, and camaraderie, living by the core values of the Philippine National Police. Mga Diyos, mga tao, mga bayan, at mga kaibigan, united as a